Today we're going to be learning about plant parts we eat. Like we've learned about before, plants begin as seeds. So let's look at some seeds that we eat. Popcorn comes from little corn kernels that came out of a corn cob. If you planted these, you could grow a plant that would make kernels that you could pop for popcorn. Over here, we have sunflower seeds that were pulled out of a sunflower. There's the kind that comes out of the sunflower before they're shelled, but after they're shelled, they look like that. And we've already learned about what beans looked like. You can use these to make chili. Now let's look at some roots. What we've learned about as roots so far look like stringy things, but roots can look very different. Like this carrot was in the ground, and the leaves came out of the top. Now it's been pulled out of the ground and the leaves have been broken off, and we can eat it. Here's a potato. It had to be dug out so we could eat it. This is an onion, which was also grown out of the ground. Up here it used to have a stem, which has now been broken off. Now let's look at stems. We've already learned about that celery is a stem that we eat. Now let's look at these leaves. Lettuce, we eat the leaves. If you take off one of these leaves, you can see that it's a leaf. And last, we're going to be looking at fruit, like these little tomatoes and this apple. Now let's look at a problem like the one that you're going to do. Which stem do we eat? So you find the stem that we eat, which is celery. You click on the answer so you can move on to the next problem. Have fun!